Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Very good morning. Test 2, 3. Oh, yeah. Okay. Today's topic is about chapter 2, emergency help. So, it's the first time we're testing. We're using the Restream, which is a new what we call different method. For it, I use Stream, yeah. So today I will try to use Restream. So I have testing this one. This is the first time. So we're just testing using this method, and without any further, we will try to present this chapter 2 with using Restream. So if you have any problem using, for example, it doesn't have any sound or you cannot see the presentation, so please inform me using any medium. Maybe you can WhatsApp or you can DM on the comment below. Okay, so without so why not we try this one, and then we will see whether we can use this Restream in our next class. Okay, so let's see chapter 2, emergency help. So in this chapter, we 2.1, we will CPR. What is CPR? Okay, the standard is our objective is to state the meaning of CPR and the situation that requires CPR, and also we will see the demonstration of CPR method, and also we will see the importance of CPR. Okay, first of all, we need to understand this emergency help is between. We need to understand when emergency happen. So we need to call emergency number is 999. 999. Okay, so what is CPR? CPR is a short form for cardiopulmonary resuscitation. It is an emergency aid that involves combination of chest compression and breathing into the mouth of the victim to restore their heartbeat and breathing. Okay, so this situation of we need to do CPR depends on what we call situation. So these three situations, you need to understand that the first situation is if the victim or individual is not breathing, the first situation, and the second situation is if the individual or the victim does not respond to the stimulus, and number three is if the individual or the victim have no heartbeat or pulse. So in Form 3, we learn how to detect the pulse and heartbeat. So this is a continuation of this syllabus. Okay, so what happened to the victim is maybe because of some factors. So might be the heart attack, So electric shock, drowning, and drowning you know lah. Okay, and then lightning strike. Maybe we have another cause, maybe because of the other cause. So maybe we can see that depends on the situation that I mentioned earlier. Okay, so we go through to the CPR procedure. Okay, number one, we must check the victim response. Check the victim response depends on the what we call pulse, respond to the stimulus. We try to call him or her, but the victim doesn't respond. Okay, so after we check the response from the victim, so there is no response, there is no pulse, there is no heartbeat. So we open the airway. So check the airways. Maybe because of there is something that blocking the airways. So we must check the the airways. So to make sure there is no block on the airway. Okay, step number 3 is chest compression. Chest compression is we press the on the chest. So I will show you where is the area that you must do the chest compression. And number 4 must be CPR, mouth-to-mouth resuscitation. So this mouth-to-mouth resuscitation, you must do the combination of chest compression and mouth-to-mouth. Okay, step number 5 is chest compression 30 times plus 2 times mouth-to-mouth resuscitation until the ambulance arrives or the victim regain consciousness. Okay, so this is the step that we must follow when we do CPR procedure. So until now, you know the procedure by method. So the situation, and let's see the importance of CPR. So the importance of CPR is we divide into two. Number one is chest compression. The importance of chest compression is is a procedure for artificial blood circulation for continuous blood circulation, and mouth-to-mouth resuscitation is to receive oxygenated air into lung. So oxygen will reach to brain and the whole body. So that is the importance of chest compression and mouth-to-mouth resuscitation. Okay, so I think for 2.1, so we already done. So I will show you the procedure or the example of CPR procedure after this. So for now, I will try to open the another tab here. Okay, I will try to share the screen here. adjustment. Okay, so here example of CPR procedure. You can see, and we check the response, and then step we do chest compression. Okay, compression is a compression of 20 times, followed by the mouth-to-mouth resuscitation. So we have a slightly internet problem here. So this process, you must follow the procedure of number 5. So we mention chest compression 20 times, followed by 30 seconds of two-time mouth-to-mouth station. So I don't know the sound is there, but we try to already done there. So you can see the demonstration of VR in YouTube, and there is a lot of video there, so you can see there. So that's all for today, and then you can do your exercise in your GC, or for those cannot enter GC, you can do the exercise prepared in the description below. So that's all. Thank you very much, and see you on our next class. So thank you very much, and bye bye.